Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. So I've been meaning to come in front of the camera and have a heart-to-heart talk with you guys, just to update little things that has been happening in my life. And I also want to know few things which you guys want from me with regard to recipes, like what kind of recipes you would like to see more, whether it is gluten free, whether it is vegan, or whether it's just random recipes with seasonal grains. So these are a few things which I wanted to sort of ask you guys. So you can comment below this video and let me know what all things I should fine tune in my recipe videos, which suit your taste also. Now you may have noticed that I do make and share a lot of healthy snack recipes. That is because both my children are away from home now. My daughter is in Bangalore working and my son is in Goa studying. So right now we both are alone at home, and because both my kids are very close to me and they sort of miss me, and I also do miss them often. And since I don't want my children to snack on unhealthy processed snacks, especially when they are living away from home, they do tend to snack on unhealthy packaged or processed things, which I don't want them to. So what I do is I make healthy snacks at home. Whichever snacks they like, I make it at home, and then I send it by courier to them, and this way I get to make some of their favorite foods and I get to make them eat healthy. And the best thing that when they get my food, they actually get cheered up, and that feeling of missing Amma doesn't come that intense when they have my home cooked food. So that is the reason why I share some healthy snack recipes, especially for children. I also would like to know whether you would like me to come in front of the camera and have a talk with you guys just the way I'm doing now, so that you can get to know more about me and I also can get to know more about you. So together we can make this a much more healthier space. And yeah, you can comment below and let me know what all topics you like me to discuss with you. One thing I've noticed that many of you always ask me from where I source the ingredients I use in my recipes. Well, some of the ingredients I source locally, and as you may know that I live in Kerala, so I have access to organic spices, organic wood pressed coconut oil, organic rice, especially Kerala Matta rice or single polished rice. So since I lead a healthy lifestyle, I go around and I try to source things locally. I do take a lot of pain in trying to source things locally. Some of the things I do source it from online, and those things which I get online, I do give links in the description box below the video, hoping that you may also be able to get the ingredients I use in my recipes. Now with regard to questions regarding a particular recipe, I do try my level best to reply to comments, but the problem is when one particular person asks me a question or a doubt with regard to the comment, with regard to the recipe, I reply to that particular person in the comment. But unfortunately, many of you may miss that comment which I had replied to, and hence I may be getting more and more of that particular query or doubt with regard to that recipe. So sometimes I may find it difficult to sort of reply to each and every comment. You also must be aware that I do everything on my own. I cook the recipe, I create the recipe, I take the video myself, I edit the video myself, and I handle my social media accounts myself, I handle my YouTube account myself. So it's a whole lot of work for me, and my hands are always full, and I'm sure you can understand or relate to the amount of work I must be doing behind the camera. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have noticed that at times I do share some behind the scenes, so that you can get a glimpse of what is happening behind the camera. And with regard to the work I am doing, I do lead a very healthy lifestyle, and for me it has been one of the biggest change that I had made in my life, and it has helped me tremendously with regard to my energy, with regard to my skin, everything. So because I do follow a healthy lifestyle, it is easy for me to create healthy recipes, since I eat healthy, and along with me, my family, my husband, my kids. And if you're new here, you may have noticed that I don't use refined products in my recipes. So I don't use refined flour, which is also known as maida, refined sugar, refined oil, or processed food. I do try to source locally, especially seasonal grains and vegetables. So if you're new here, I just wanted to brief you the work I'm doing. So do let me know if you would like to see me talking to you like this. I really would appreciate feedbacks from you. And guys, if you do make recipes which I had shared on YouTube, you can tag me on Instagram, or you can message me the pictures of the recipe which you have made. I'll be very happy to share it on my Insta handle, and it always makes me very happy when I get reviews from you guys stating that you made my recipe and you enjoyed it, or your family enjoyed it, your husband enjoyed it, you served it to guests or friends. So that is something which makes me so happy. So I would really appreciate if you would tag me on Instagram. So I hope to come in front of you often like this, and I hope that will help you to understand me more and me to understand you more. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.